Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna pop on this water bottle. Hey Ayush, come on, let's go make a video.
Yeah.
With the bubble wrap!
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, you know the other was mine?
Look, pop it.
Perfect.
It makes a satisfying noise. Just squeeze it and it's oh my god, that is so cool.
Yeah.
Sweet on top of the bubble wraps. I'm just kidding. Hey Bruno, the panda.
No, Bruno. A panda.
Okay, let's go pop. Hey, you don't pop it like that. You pop it, you tap it.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, like that. This is a really satisfying noise. We're gonna play this all day, right?
Yeah, that's so fun. I love bubble wrap.
Huh? That is such a cool
It's
thing.
just a satisfying noise.
What a cool thing!
Yeah. Little bubbles.
Let's pop the whole entire thing. And then there will be no more for Ayush.
Yes, because it's more for me.
We got an Amazon iPad.
Yeah. But look, we have to see red. We have to see red buttons.
Uh-huh. But let's concentrate on the bubble wrap. And let's play.
Yes.
Oh my god, this is such a satisfying noise. It feels like a pocket.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Okay. Hey, some bangla.
Okay. That sounds like toys. You know what bubble wrap are? Oh.
But he loves the bubble wrap, and he's also making a video of it. Oh my god, it looks like puppets.
Yeah.
Yep, it does look like puppets.
It looks like puppets. How is this happening?
So guys, this is all for today, and yeah, bye. We're gonna see you next video, okay?
Yeah, bye.
Bye.